Do you see that? Do you have any idea what's happening? That is a cumulonimbus cloud forming. This is not good. Cumulonimbus means thundercloud. A storm may hit any time. I think I should go and check if everyone is safe in the school.
Kids, quickly come inside. A storm is approaching. It is not safe to be out there.
Teacher, Timul is still out there, by the mango tree.
Timul, get away from the tree, quick! Run! A thunder may strike any time. Run!
Oh, that was close. Teacher, how did you know that a storm is coming?
When the sky suddenly becomes dark, followed by gusty cool wind, it's a sign a thunderstorm is approaching.
Yes, it became so dark, so suddenly.
Yes, thunderstorm happens suddenly. Thunderstorm is brought by thunderclouds that the weather experts call cumulonimbus.
Huh? What cloud?
Yes, Timul. Look over here. This is a cumulonimbus, which is responsible for heavy rain, lightning, hail, gusty wind, and even tornadoes.
Oh, those clouds are gigantic. That's why it became so dark so quickly.
Yes, one of the characteristics of cumulonimbus, it grows very rapidly, as fast as 30 to 60 minutes.
Sir, is it common to have thunderstorms this time of the year?
Yes, Badal, we're on the month of April now. In Bangladesh, thunderstorm, locally called the Kalboishaki, occurs from March to May.
It's coming again. I don't like thunder sounds. I'm scared.
Calm down, Timul. You should not be scared of thunder. It is the sound you hear after the lightning. Thunder also helps us to know the distance of thunderstorm from us.
Really, teacher? How?
If you see a lightning, count the number of seconds until you hear the thunder. Divide the number of seconds by 3 to calculate the distance in kilometers. When the counted times become shorter, thunderclouds approaches closer.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 seconds divided by 3 is 2. Oh, it means the thunderstorm is 2 kilometers away from us. It's so near, we are in danger.
It's okay, kids. As long as you're sheltered inside the school, you're safe against thunder and lightning.
But if we were outside and lightning starts to strike, what should we do, teacher?
Safety instructions against lightning are available here. Let's take a look. If you're outside, you must run and take shelter indoors. But if there is no shelter, you should avoid being in the high grounds, and then sit low with less ground contact. But never lie flat on the ground.
Why did you shout at me and tell me to get away from the mango tree when the lightning was happening? Can't I hide under it?
Timul, you're very lucky today. You got away from the mango tree just in time when the lightning struck it. Lightning most likely strikes isolated tall objects like trees or electric posts. If you happen to be under those things, you can be struck by lightning too. So you must not take shelter and should stay away at least 4 meters away from them. Hail!
Yes, teacher, did you call me?
No, not hail. It's hailing outside. Look,
Eyes? Eyes! I want to taste them. Let's go and eat them.
stop! What are you doing, Timul? Hail is very dangerous. It can injure you. Do you know? Falling speed of hail is 60 kilometers per hour when its diameter is 2 centimeters and 120 kilometers when it's 5 centimeters. If you go outside, a hard ice may hit you. Do you know? A hailstone of 1 kilogram were recorded in Gopalganj in April 1986. Something like that could easily kill people. So never go outside during thunderstorm, okay?
I wonder what that is. Looks like an ice cream cone.
Oh no, that's a tornado. Stay away from the window. Cover your head and neck with your arms and go under the desk. Quickly! Children, stay under your desk. Cover yourself with your arm. We have power outage. Let's wait till the storm is over. Is everyone okay? Huh? Where's Timul? Timul, why didn't you go under the desk? It's good that nothing happened to you. What a danger it could have been. You know, kids, the next time thunderstorm happens, be quicker to think and act. Don't forget the things you have learned today. It can really save your life, okay?
Look at the mess. Thunderstorms can be really dangerous and harmful. Good thing is that teacher quickly told the students about what to do to be safe. I hope today you have learned well about thunderstorms and the dangers of it, like the hail, lightning and tornado. Be smart and be safe, kids. Bye.